Hi, I'm Tom Nunemaker with Aeromir Corporation. I run NinjaTrader every day, and it was always tedious for me to launch it, had to look up my password, type it in, or just copy and paste it from somewhere, and then launch NinjaTrader. And most of the time, I would forget to do routine maintenance, like cleaning up data folders, cache folders, etc. So I built a free tool that helped me log into NinjaTrader in a smarter way and do the cleaning routines that I should have been doing all along. So the problems that this tool solves is NinjaTrader's database bloats over time, and it does slow things down. And I've got a fast machine, and even I noticed it. You can get stale cache data, which causes chart loading delays. You can get ghost positions appearing after overnight strategy restarts, and accidentally closing NinjaTrader with live positions. Manual cleanup is tedious and easy to forget. I was guilty of that. And then typing passwords in every single login wastes time. So the tool that I built solves all of this stuff. It has several cleaning modes: save, developer, no clean, and deep reset. And we'll talk about those. It clears the cache and snapshots automatically every time you launch it. Removes the stale workspace backups. It warns before force closing NinjaTrader if it's already running. And it rotates and backs up the database on the deep reset. So deep reset, we'll talk about that, but you don't really want to do that often. And it copies your password to the clipboard for, I think it's 60 seconds by default. And it's free. You just put your name and email in, it'll send you a link to it. And it'll add you to the Aeromir database so you can get access to more tools and more training and more information. So the 4 launch modes is a safe mode, which is the default that's recommended for it's fast cleanup before every launch. It clears your cache and your snapshot folders. It removes workspace backup files, and it just takes a few seconds. The developer mode or dev mode is deeper, clean. It does everything that the safe mode does, but it also clears the messages. And that's useful if you're making any changes with NinjaScript. So if you're doing any coding, that's probably the one you want to use. The no clean is sometimes you just close NinjaTrader and need to reopen it quickly. Maybe you're in the middle of a trade and NinjaTrader crashed. So no clean skips all the file cleanup and just launches NinjaTrader, puts your password in the clipboard. It's a fast restart with no maintenance. And the deep reset, like I said, is kind of the nuclear option. And it really is, because what it does is it clears every single data folder, your cache, your day, messages, minute, snapshot, tick data, everything gets wiped out. Then it backs up your database, deletes it, and then when NinjaTrader starts again, it rebuilds the database completely fresh on startup. So before it does any of this, it makes you type in the word delete to confirm it. So I built in that friction on purpose, so it's not something that you run accidentally. It's got to be intentional. So when would you use this? When NinjaTrader is behaving really badly and nothing else is fixing it. It's kind of, like I said, the nuclear option. An important thing, any of these resets, including the deep reset, does not touch your strategies, indicators, workspace, or settings. They're all in completely separate folders. You're only clearing the cached market data. So let's take a look at the files that this program is using and creates. So it has a path file, a password file, and a configuration file, and a startup log. So let's take a look at them. So your password, this is my NinjaTrader password, but it's encrypted. So obviously you're not going to be able to decrypt that. So it stores it as a plain text encrypted file, and it's in 2 modes, and one is tied to the user that's logged in, the other one is tied to the machine, and the default is per user. So you have to be logged into Windows, and then it can decrypt this password only for you. The startup log, this shows the logging that's happened while you're running this every time, how you started it, safe mode, whatever, where the NinjaTrader path is. This is the path file that shows where is your executable for NinjaTrader. This is the default. And then you have a configuration JSON file that has kind of the defaults for the program. And then you have a diagnostics. So this will be useful if you're having trouble. Then you can see what the program is thinking, and it'll help you debug it. So those are the files that are created. Okay, so I'm looking at the start NinjaTrader.exe file. put it in a separate directory, and then to get it onto my desktop, the easy way is just right click, and if you don't see the send to desktop, you'll see a show more options. And then now you can, where is it, send to desktop, create shortcut. And that'll create a shortcut on your desktop to launch it. And let me show you my desktop. So here's my desktop. Now you have a shortcut to this. If you right click on it and you go properties, you should be able to go run as administrator if you need to. This program doesn't require it, but you can if like the time sync tool that I have requires you to run as administrator. That's how you do it. So now I'm not running NinjaTrader right now. So let's double click on this and see what it does. So here's the program. So it has a little menu. It's fairly basic. Here's the 4 different launch modes that we talked about, and the deep reset and the advanced. Okay, so the settings, let's type in number 6 and take a look at that. So these are the settings. You can reset your password or clear the stored password. The other way, you can go to that password file I showed you and just delete that, and then it'll detect that the file is missing and prompt you for a new password. You can set the NinjaTrader path, which we showed you, where is the executable. You can change the default mode. So if I do that, it's going to ask me what mode do I want, and recommended is safe. So I'll just stick it with safe. And then the clipboard timeout, I think it defaults to 60 seconds. And it doesn't tell you what it is. I'll just set it to 60. And the password protection mode. So there's 2 basically modes. The current user is tied to the user that's logged into Windows. The portable machine means it's tied to anybody logged in on the machine. And mine's already set to current user, which is the default. So I'm just going to cancel that. And then the toggle auto close launcher. So what this does is when this launcher is done, after it's copied your password to the clipboard and launched NinjaTrader, after I think 3 or 4 seconds, it closes this. So you don't have to actually go in and close it. It auto closes. So this is set to false. And if I want to toggle it, I'll do it again. Now the clipboard auto clear is disabled when auto close is on. So it'll leave your password in the clipboard if you have auto close on. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to leave it to true. And then show current configuration. This is like that file that we showed you. These are all the configurations of how the software is set up. And then reset the launcher, just resets everything. And then goes back to the main menu. Now if I want to start NinjaTrader, I'm just going to start it, and I hit number 1, which is your default, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's one of the 4 different modes. So basically it's going to launch it in your default mode, which is safe mode. So I'll just hit 1. Now it's doing a safe clean, and it's done. Now it's launching NinjaTrader. It's got my password in the clipboard. I copy or paste, hit enter or click the login button, and now my NinjaTrader starting. So that's all there is to it. Again, it's a free download. You can go to futures.aeromir.com/start NinjaTrader, or if you just go to futures.aeromir.com, it's on the tools menu down in the bottom right. And you can see the different modes, all the things here we just talked about, what it does. And there's also some command line options if you want to set your shortcut on your desktop to go in a specific mode, you could do that. And there's a frequently asked questions, and here's all the file locations. So again, it's a free utility, helps you start NinjaTrader much faster. You don't have to type passwords in anymore. It copies it to the clipboard for you. It's all secure, and it saves me a lot of time. I use it every day, and now I don't have to forget about manually cleaning up the data or anything. It does it for me. So enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, good trading to you.